Guys, but I think somebody or anyone is now just hearing this. But Greece had an earthquake, 6.0 magnitude. It got shared from Realism Official. Go check him out. He's a content creator that spreads the gospel, and I'm called to do this because of him. God called me to do this. So, yeah. Realism, Christian content creator, he showed proof that the end times are coming, that we need to share the gospel. Because Greece had a 6 magnitude earthquake, and angels was up in the sky. Maybe people will say, it's the glint of the sun, it's the sun. No, it was on the other side. Listen, we need to pray for Greece, everybody else. We need to pray for Kanye West to turn his life to Christ. Like we are in the end times. We are called to spread the gospel. Let's do it. I want to see you all in heaven. Peace.